dateValue function. This function is used to convert a piece of text into a date, which can be used in calculations. Dates expressed as text are often created when data is imported from other programs. So the syntax is dateValue and the text you are referencing. The result will normally be shown as a number which represents the date. This number can then be formatted to any normal date format using the format cell number date. Like we have here, this date in this column, can you see? This date is in text format, that's why you have this apostrophe here. So we can use the dateValue function to convert it to the actual numeric value, such that we can then use this in some other calculations. So whichever format the date is written in text, it will convert it to the corresponding numeric value. And for whatever value it gives us, you can right click on the cell, go to format cell. Under number, you can choose the format with which you want the date to appear. So if I choose this, okay, it will give me the actual date in numeric form. Otherwise, I can leave it as the number here. Now let's see an example where the dateValue function is very useful. The example uses the dateValue and the today function to calculate the number of days remaining on a property lease. The dateValue function was used because the date has been entered in the cell as a piece of text, as you can see here, probably after being imported from an external program. So this is the property reference, this is the expiry dates for each of the property, and this is the date of expiry. This is gotten by subtracting the date value of this, using the date value to convert it to value, to numeric value, minus today. Today function returns this day value. So to know the number of days left for the lease, I can subtract the date value of this expiry date and today. So when I click enter, it gives me 1,579 days. So you can see that the expiry date is in 25th December 2025. So from today we have 1,579 days. The same thing with this. From this date to today, we have 315 days. From this date to today, 13th September to today, we have this. Now today, by my date, is 29th of August 2021. You can see from 29th of August to 13th September, 15 days, and these also. So this is how the dateValue function works. I hope you find this useful. Thank you for staying through to this time. See you in the next lesson.